Let me state that here, as we are in this new environment, a country that is not an Islamic country, we have added responsibility. And that responsibility is that we have the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala intact, in original words with us, that belongs to the entire humanity, not just us, not us believers. We must deliver that message to the best of our ability to people that are around us. If we do not deliver that, we have an amana that we have not really been truthful to it. We should deliver that message to the ability we have. That message may simply be by behaving properly as a neighbor, by being kind to the person that asks you for a direction, taking something away from the road, making the road clear so nobody falls down. All of that behavior represents who you are as a believer. And people come to you and they say, "Who are you?" And you say, "I'm so and so." "Are you a Muslim?" "Yes." "Oh my God, what is Islam? I don't know anything about it." Then you have a chance to tell them, this is what Islam means. They will immediately say, "But don't you believe in Jesus Christ?" "Of course. I cannot be a Muslim until I believe in Jesus Christ." "Oh, I did not know that." Then you say, "Well, we are all Abrahamic faith." "Abraham, you believe in Abraham also?" "Of course I believe in Abraham." They did not know that. They felt American people basically are very, very comfortable in the knowledge they have. They go to the school, they think they know everything. They don't even know where Africa is, where Asia is, whatever else, but they are content because they are self-sufficient here. They don't know much about Islam. All they heard about Islam is from the conflict in Middle East, where there is geographical problem, political problem, not a religious problem, but they feel that all Muslims are probably, terrorists, and they don't believe in all these other things, and they have their own Allah. And all we have to do is educate them, tell them a little bit. As they learn more, then they will read. Now that they have access to Professor Google, it's very easy really to correct themselves. And more you interact with them, more you will realize that you have discharged your responsibility and you have now really given what you have to others. And hopefully that will really give you a satisfaction inside again. But so far as you yourself are concerned, try to introspect, look within yourself, feel Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala within you. Go into sajda. When you go into sajda, realize that even if you cannot see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He is seeing you. Make that connection. That will purify your heart. Ask Him to purify your heart. Try to be as good as you can, and then inshallah, with Allah's will, He will draw you closer to Him. And once you are connected to Him, then He takes over and He cleanses your heart, and that makes it very peaceful for you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the wisdom and the knowledge and comprehension that we have a certain status in society, that we have a certain responsibility in the society, that we are given the power and the understanding to make sure that we can pass this message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on to not only to our children and their children, but also the people that are around us. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum.